Right, okay, so I'm going to be cutting this baby. I feel like the ratio of colour is a little bit odd here. There's too much turquoise, so looks fabulous to some of you, but when you set this, the turquoise will take over and you won't see the blue. So I'm going to be cutting her to about here on this side, but to about there on that side. Going to be setting this with two different sized heated rollers and backcombing the life out of her. Now when I do backcomb, the thing I found that if you backcomb first, then you set. Because if you set and then backcomb, you can lose the curl with some wigs. It depends on the quality of the synthetic hair that you're using. I'm going to be working on a single wig with this baby. So there'll be no stacking and there'll be no adding hair. So that means that this video will be going out a lot quicker. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be setting her, creating a Marcel wave, also known as a finger wave to some of you. And so guys, I don't show you what I do because it's my job. I'm not an idiot, I'm not giving away everything. So if you want a new wig, you want a wig customized, you want a wig brought back to life, or you need a wig sorted out, I hope you like her. Follow the link below in the comments. It's in the description actually. But yeah, follow the link in the description, you'll find me on Facebook. You need a wig new, you need a wig sorting, or you need a wig brought back to life. Send me her, I'll send her back in better condition. Bye!